guys, welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, we will pack my things. Going back to Saudi, guys. I'm so excited. Because guys, we need to go home. So we need to pack our things and make sure that we will not left any of our things here because we will just come here after a year again. So be ready with me, guys. I'm going to Saudi. I'm so excited to sleep in my room. So guys, now I am taking all the guys, see, this is all the shoes. Okay, don't worry, we are going to fix it. So we will take all the clothes here and here. So we are done and done and done and done and put it. Don't worry, guys. We will... Why it's so much here?
I put them.
Melissa, the money is not allowed here. Maybe they will take it.
No, they
Joke.
will not.
No, it's okay to put it in the janta.
Leave it.
Because this in Tayara.
No, I need to bring my iPad, my charger.
Okay. I will just go bring with me, guys, two uniform, and I have clothes there for house. Because this bag, we will put this in car. The car will travel before us. Before us or after us?
Yeah,
After
It will
us.
take 3 days.
So it will take 3 days before the bag come
This one
home,
right?
and yeah, and we need to bring just little things. So for me, because we are just working in house, so we need to use uniform. So we will not bring too much clothes with us. So we will just bring our what? Uniform too. Two uniform and
pajama.
I have pajama in house. So I have also underwear. And I have everything there. So this is only that I will bring. Yeah, hand carry, guys. I need only like hand carry. That's all, and not need anything else. So
It's my birthday after 4
see you also on the
days.
birthday of Melissa. Said, okay.
Days.
Please greet her happy birthday. Write in the comment below. Okay, guys, I will pack now, and see you tomorrow afternoon. Huh?
No,
Morning.
We will go 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Morning, yeah, morning. 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Sunrise.
So, see you in Saudi, guys. Bye bye. See you there. I love you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. If you like it, click the notification bell and leave a comment below. Bye bye.